Hello everyone! I'm Ayana, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain how to change a Blender language and how to change your settings. Let's begin! Let's start! I'll explain how to change the display language of Blender's interface and detailed settings. Select Preferences from Edit on the menu bar to open. Open the Interface tab and select the language you want to change to from Translation. After selecting the language, make sure that Tooltip, Interface, and New Data are checked. You can change the resolution of the interface by changing the resolution scale value on the Interface tab. Next, I'll explain how to change the interface color from the Theme tab. You can change the color of the text displayed in this way by selecting User Interface, Tools from Theme, and changing the color of the text. Next, if you check Emulate 3-button mouse from the Input tab, you can be configured to work with pointing devices which do not have a middle mouse button. You can rotate the 3D view like this by holding the Alt key while dragging with your left mouse button. This operation is the same as when you drag the middle mouse button. You can change the number of undoing to undo the operation by changing the Undo step on the System tab. If the default setting is 32 times, it may not be possible to return to the desired position during modeling, so you should increase the number of undoing as necessary. You can save your preferences by clicking the 3-line button at the bottom left of the Preferences dialog. By default, Save Preferences Automatically is checked, so the preferences will be saved automatically. The lecture on how to change language and preference settings is ending right here. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye!